Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bitget. As a first step, log into your Bitget account at bitget.com. Then once you're in here on your dashboard, just hover your mouse onto trade and just click on convert and block trade. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, it is under your spot account. So click on from, click on the drop down, now go ahead and select BTC. Okay, or Bitcoin. So as you can see here, the only available option is pump BTC and WBTC. Now, if you want this option, you just go ahead and select the option, of course. And then go ahead and type down USDT right here at the bottom. That it says to. Click on it, and once done, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wanted to convert to USDT. For example, this one. Okay, and you will receive this amount of USDT. So if you're happy with that, just click on convert. And once done, you're good to go. Just go ahead and check your assets. So the other option is by using the spot market. Okay. So what you got to do is just go ahead over to trade and go to spot. In here, go ahead and select the trading pair, BTC to USDT. Okay. So let's go ahead and find that right here. BTC to USDT. Click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to market for fast transactions, okay, or to sell immediately at the best available price, or limit if you want this one to set a specific price. So the easiest one right here is on the market. Now go ahead and enter the total amount, okay, and make sure at the top right, click on sell. Sell, market, enter the amount of what? BTC, okay, for example, 1 Bitcoin, okay, and just sell it. You will be able to see that the USDT asset right here will be updated. Okay. Now, if you have the USDT asset, you can now go ahead and transfer it if you want to as well. Or you can just go ahead and check your wallet. Okay. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to convert BTC to USDT on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.